Hello and welcome to our channel, Astro Money Guru, where we provide you with the latest updates and advanced analysis on global markets. Today's top story comes from the Asian markets, which have seen a significant surge driven by key developments in both China and the United States. Asian stock markets have reached their highest levels in over 2.5 years, fueled by China's latest economic stimulus measures. China's top financial regulators have rolled out major actions, including a 50 basis point reduction in bank reserve requirements and lower mortgage rates. These measures are aimed at reigniting growth in China's slowing economy. In response, Chinese stocks rallied. The CSI 300 index rose 1% at the opening, while the broader Shanghai Composite Index also gained 1%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index led the charge, jumping over 2%, while the mainland property index surged by a remarkable 5%, reflecting increased optimism among investors. The impact of China's moves extended beyond its borders. The MSCI Asia Pacific Index, excluding Japan, rose by 0.41%, reaching a level not seen since April 2022. Meanwhile, in Japan, the Nikkei rose 1.4%, hitting a near 3-week high as investors await a key speech by Bank of Japan Governor Kazuo Ueda. Across the Pacific, investor attention remains fixed on U.S. interest rate policy. After the Federal Reserve's recent 50 basis point rate cut, traders are split on whether another rate cut, of either 25 or 50 basis points, will follow in November. According to the CME FedWatch tool, there's still an expectation of 76 basis points of easing this year. The Reserve Bank of Australia is also in focus, with markets predicting the central bank will leave rates unchanged. However, following the Fed's recent cut, some are speculating that Australia might take a similar step in the near future. The US dollar remains near a one-year low, standing at 100.95, while the yen held steady at 143.65 per dollar. The euro stayed stable at $1.11055, despite weak economic data from the eurozone. The Australian dollar dipped slightly to $0.6828, still close to its 9-month high. In the commodities market, oil prices saw modest gains following Monday's decline, which was driven by concerns over demand and weak data from Europe. Brent crude futures rose 0.26%, now priced at $74.09 per barrel, while US crude futures gained 0.3%, trading at $70.60. That's it for today's market update. Asian markets continue to ride the wave of optimism from Chinese stimulus and US interest rate expectations. Keep an eye on upcoming central bank decisions, which could further shape market movements in the coming weeks. Stay tuned to Astro Money Guru for more in-depth analysis and updates on global financial trends. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest market insights.